Hello students, today we are going to discuss next important topic which has been prescribed into your syllabus by Punjab University Chandigarh, and the topic under discussion is meaning and significance of communication process. I repeat the topic, meaning and significance of communication process. So let's begin with our today's topic. The communication process refers to a series of actions or steps taken in order to successfully communicate. The communication process refers to a series of actions or steps which a person takes in order to communicate in a successful manner. It involves several components such as the sender of the communication, the actual message being sent, the encoding of the message, the receiver, and the decoding of the message. So, in a communication process, there are different components which are involved. First, there is sender of the communication, then the actual message which is being sent, then the encoding of the message, then the receiver who receives the message sent by the person, then there is the decoding of the message which he receives from another person. So, in a communication process, there are so many components which are involved in this process. Meaning and significance of communication process. Communication process is regarded as one of the indispensable ways that put emphasis upon the fact that communication is regarded as one of the important ways of imparting knowledge and understanding to others. Communication process is considered as one of the indispensable ways. Indispensable means which cannot be separated. Indispensable means a part that cannot be separated. So communication process is one of the important ways that put emphasis upon the fact that communication is regarded as one of the important ways of imparting knowledge. Imparting means giving knowledge and understanding to others. So by communicating with another person, we impart our knowledge and understanding with others. On the other hand, the individuals are able to acquire information as well in terms of various factors. A person acquires or gets information in terms of various factors. It is stated that an aimless life is meaningless life. We all believe in this fact that if a person doesn't have any aim in his or her life, then his life is meaningless. Hence, all the individuals have an aim to achieve. So, all the individuals must have an aim to achieve in their lives. It is apparent that the aims and objectives are different for all individuals. It is apparent. Apparent means clear. It is clear that the aims and objectives are different for all individuals, means every person has a different aim or objective to achieve in his or her life. All individuals make selection of various fields in accordance to their skills and abilities. all individuals means every person makes selection of different field in accordance to their skills and abilities. Means if a person has skills in engineering or in medical line or teaching line, a person chooses or selects his field according to his own skill or ability. The individuals make selection of various fields according to their skills and abilities. These include engineering, medical, law, education, architecture, management, administration, and so forth. So, all these fields a person chooses one of all these fields according to his own skill and ability. In order to excel in one's chosen field and sustain one's living conditions in an appropriate manner, it is essential for the individuals to augment their understanding in terms of meaning and significance of communication process. So, if a person wants to excel or achieve something in a higher degree, he has to attain more knowledge through his communication. The exchange of information or passing of information, ideas, and perspectives from one person to another or from one end to the other is referred to as communication. So, when a person exchanges his ideas, any kind of information, or his perspectives with another person, then it is called communication. The meaning and significance of communication process is acknowledged through promoting useful interactions among individuals. Meaning and significance of communication process is acknowledged through promoting useful interactions among individuals. It is a process through which meanings are perceived and understandings are augmented among individuals. In the communication process, a person sends his message, and another person receives the message and makes his own perception of that meaning. Through communication processes, the individuals are able to understand each other better, elevate misunderstandings, and encourage the clarity of thoughts and expressions. So, by communicating with each other, the persons can understand each other in a better way. They can overcome their misunderstandings and they encourage the clarity of thoughts and expressions between among them or between them. In educational institutions, as well as in various forms of employment settings, when the individuals communicate with each other, they are able to achieve personal and professional goals and enrich their lives. In educational institutions where the students get education, or in other various forms of employment settings, when the individuals communicate with each other, they are able to achieve personal and professional goals. Goals here means aims or objectives, and they make their lives rich by those personal and professional aims and objectives. In other words, in enhancing one's career prospects and in promoting better livelihoods opportunities, it is vital for the individuals to get engaged in communication process in an effective manner. In other words, if a person wants to enhance his career prospects, his If a person wants to make his prospects here means future, if a person wants to make his future career better, or he wants to enhance it, and in promoting better livelihoods, it is vital here means important, it is important for that person to get engaged in communication process in an effective manner. So it becomes clear from this sentence that if a person um, wants to be prosperous, or wants to have a better livelihood in his future, he must have to engage in communication, in effective communication process. Therefore, the meaning and significance of communication process is acknowledged as it establishes connections between individuals. Therefore, the meaning and significance of communication process is acquired, or is come to know as it establishes connections between individuals. So communication process involves different types of components, as we have already discussed, like sender of communication, actual message being sent, then encoding of message, the receiver of the message, and the decoding of the message. So by passing through all these components, the communication process takes place. So students, today we have discussed next topic, that is meaning and significance of communication process. Try to learn this topic. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.